by. So we're gonna start our dog show now. And so,
Did you find the card?
yep, we're doing this because he needs to get his elite trick dog. For him to get his elite trick dog, he needs to have an audience and do a list of commands in a skit. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Jeter's a 1.5 McNabb Collie mix.
I want one of those.
A 1.5 old McNabb Collie mix. And so, yep. So besides doing the trick dogs, he's got all the CGCs and everything. He also is in training to be a cadaver dog in search and rescue. So, yep. So this is a working dog, not just a play dog. He came from Montana. All of his brothers and sisters herd cattle, and he's a city dog. So, but yep. So without further ado, we'll get this thing started. So this happened to me just a week ago. There I was. Hey, come here. Come here.
It was a pretty girl.
Lie down. Lie down. Good boy. Okay, restarting. So, lie down. Hey. So there I was, and we were hiking up by the Ochinos when I saw 3 rough-looking men hauling a big crate. Looked like there might have been money or gold in there or something. I went in to get a better look, and I made some noise, and they saw me. They started shooting, and I got hit in the leg. Jeter was smart, and he played dead. Jeter, bang. Come on. Good boy. He waited till they left, and he came back and he started looking for me. I must have hit my head because when I came to, it was completely dark. It seemed like I was in a cave or something, and I was very hungry and very thirsty. All of a sudden, Jeter, leave it. Hey, lie down. Lie down. Boy. So I hear this scratching and I hear this panting. I'm like, uh-oh. Here I just got shot. Now I'm going to get eaten by a bear. And then, lo and behold, it turns to be Jeter. And so he found me, and so he tried to rescue me. He tried to get me to follow him. Come on, what's that? What's that? Yeah. I told him I just couldn't do it. My leg hurt too much. But I asked him to go get help, but before he did, I told him I was hungry. I really needed something to eat. Here, sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Stay. Eat your bowl. Not that one. Eat your bowl.
I think he was going for dramatic effect.
So, those guys must have been nearby because he brought me a fully cooked hot dog, fixing it all. So then, he left to go get help. Through a tunnel I wouldn't have been able to fit through anyway. Jeter, go through. Jeter, hey, go through. Good boy. And so he knew either with a good nose or a millennia of hindsight and whatever, so he up. So he knew that help was across the river. The only way was to cross this log. Good boy. Okay, good boy. So he crossed the log trying to get help. When he's over there, he saw a cop car, but he couldn't get his attention. Jeter, come here. Whisper. Good boy. His bark just wasn't loud enough. So, he happened to be carrying a flashlight. Touch. Touch. Touch it. Touch. Good boy. So, he signed that at the cop car and the cop stopped to help. So then, Jeter, come here. He did everything he could to try to get the cop's attention. The cop didn't know what he wanted. Will you get out of there? Come here, Jeter. Hey, spin. Boy. Bow. boy. And eventually found on something that works. Jeter, up, nope, nope. Come here. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit down, Jeter. Come here. Come here. Sit down. Salute. 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 Boy. So the cop knew that she should follow him. She followed him, and she detained bad guys. And on her way back, as she was escorting me to her cruiser, she realized that she had dropped the keys. So, Jeter, hey, get out of there. So if I can get some help, Jeter, someone could distract him for a bit, give him some pets while I go hide his keys. Jeter.
Come on, you can't look.